Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and the wait is finally over. In India, we have started to get shipments for our Google Nexus 6, this time by Motorola. So this is the Nexus 6 box that you see here. This is the Indian retail package. This is midnight blue color, which comes with 32 GB internal memory. This is the unit, this is the sticker, and it is retailing at 44,000 rupees, which is exactly the MRP on this unit. If I can show you closely here. In this video, I'm going to quickly unbox this and show you what all you get with the Nexus 6 Indian retail unit and what's in store for you. So without further ado, let's cut through the seals. The packaging is very interesting, and this time there are not many graphics on the box. It says 6, which can be misread as 9 if you are holding it upside down, and 32 GB, which is clearly mentioned on this side. Let me open the box, and here you have it. The first thing in the box, the Motorola Nexus 6 or the Google Nexus 6. This is the midnight blue color and feels really nice. The Nexus branding has been done in metallic finish, and it's kind of slightly above the surface, and you can feel it with your hand. Nice Motorola dimple and the rear camera. This is the large 5.9-inch display. Let me keep this aside for a moment and show you what else is in the box. You have some documentation here, which includes startup guides, warranty manuals, you have a SIM ejector tool, and you also have safety and warranty manual, this time in Hindi or Indian regional languages, which is interesting. There is this leaflet which tells you how to get started, how to charge your phone, etc. Let me keep this aside. Let's have a look further in the box and what you get. So next thing I see here is the earphones. These are in the earphones, as you can see, and very much like the Apple EarPods. Very interesting shape and very nice build quality. I'll test them out and tell you in my detailed review how I like them after doing a thorough testing on them. What you get here is the turbocharger, or the fast charger as Motorola calls it. It will give you a very fast and quick charging. They claim that in about 10 minutes you can get up to 6 hours of talk time using this charger. It has very high current capacity. The last thing that we have here is the USB to micro USB standard data cable. That's all. Let me quickly boot up the device and show you the size perspective by putting it next to some similarly sized devices, which includes the Samsung Galaxy Note 4 and the Moto X. Let me quickly boot and come back. With the Nexus 6 interface, now you get an option to set up your device from your previous devices. This is the Android Lollipop, and when you are setting up and logging in with your Google, it remembers that you have used some other devices. Right now it's showing me that I have one other device which I have used recently, and gives me option to install applications and restore data from that device. It will also show me what all apps I have been using on the other device, and it will restore those applications. However, if I want to set up as a new device, I can always select this option to set up as new device. And this is how the first boot screen or the screen looks like, and this is the Android Lollipop 5 which is running on it. Let me quickly show you the software version just to give you an idea of what we are running here. And we are back after a quick boot, and just to give you a size perspective, this is the Nexus 6, which comes with a 5.9-inch display diagonally, and right next to it we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 4, which you can see looks slightly smaller with a 5.7-inch display. And this is the Motorola Moto X 2nd generation, which comes with a 5.2-inch display. All three are AMOLED displays, and they are all very brilliant displays. Let me give you a size comparison with each of them one by one. So first I'll put it right on top of a Samsung Galaxy Note 4, and as you can see, the Note 4 is slightly smaller in almost every dimension except for thickness, which I believe is very, very close. In terms of length, the Nexus 6 is taller, it's wider as well, and almost the same thickness as the Nexus 6. So this is how they compare in size. They feel very good, both feel very good in hand. Now let me put it next to the Motorola 2014 Moto X, which is the second generation Moto X. And here you can see the considerable size difference between these two phones. The Moto X looks much smaller compared to the Nexus 6, and this is not a small phone, minded. This is a 5.2 inch display and this is simply huge. Let me show you the button placement now. The button placement on Nexus 6 has been moved slightly towards the middle of the phone rather than the top, which we see on the Moto X. This has been done for better ergonomics. You can easily reach out to these buttons with your thumb while you are using the phone, and you do not have to stretch your thumb all the way to the top of the phone. So on the right hand side we have the power or wake up key and the volume button, and the power key, if you look closely, has some sort of etching or texture which gives it a very nice feel when you touch it, and you can differentiate it from the button or the volume rocker which is just below it. On top of the phone you have the SIM card tray, and you have the standard port for your earphones. On the rear you have the 13 megapixel camera which comes with ring flash Nexus branding. Left side is totally clean. On bottom you have charging port. There are some antenna bands which have been provided. There are dual fronter speaker grills, so you have a speaker grill at the bottom, a speaker grill at the top, the front facing camera up top here, and this is how it looks. We'll give you a detailed review and comparison with other flagships very soon, so make sure you hit the subscribe button below this video to get latest video updates and reviews of the Nexus 6 from Intellect Digest. If you enjoyed watching this quick unboxing video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button below. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.